You see the back, yeah? Why is like that? The light, against the light. Hello! Welcome to our vlog. We go with Carrefour Era to find something for washing machine of Madam Julia. To change the washing machine in the house. So see you later.
Eventually.
Yan, kita nyo yung bus. Working pa rin yung mga bus. Wapa! Going to Carrefour, we're going to Carrefour. Para casa we go out, we feel boring na. So we go. Our driver. Going to Carrefour. Shepherds too?
My mother make a drive. Chauffeur din tatang feel.
Bravo, ra. We're here now in the Carrefour, in the entrance. The mafia is here. The three mafia. Flex ko lang ang aking chingila.
No, to you. This I think, eto. Remington. How much the Remington? Eto, head to toe. Philips, 249. I think it's sale. Yes, huh? We're checking for washing machine to change our washing machine in the house. There. This one is small, no? 6 kilograms. But it's small, you see, it's small. See? It's good than this. Checking. You ask first if they accept. Try auto.
Sharp.
Что?
На прицеле DX să de cu vechi la schimb. Vreau duțul de jos aici, la toate să fișoare.
Asta e cu, dacă vă dăm mai
Da,
veche, nu?
dacă nu 100 de lei în plus.
100 de lei în plus.
Da. Până la 8.
Toate care au prețul jos aici, dai cu mașina la schimb. Dacă nu dai mașina la schimb, nu prețul de aici. 100 de lei în plus.
Tell me.
All the washing who have the price here is with the changing. If you don't have to change, you will be 100 lei more. You pay it more 100 lei if you don't have to change.
Like this what washing shop.
All the washing, what you give the old one,
They pay only 100 lei.
100 lei.
Unde? În Iași mâine. Dacă am pe stoc mâine, da. Până la ușa apartamentului. Până la
Și
ușă.
pe aia veche o luat foto.
Da, tot de acolo, da. Deci, pe 1300 cum aveți la schimb, da?
Da.
May napili na si Madam.
Oh, make video, picture.
Wow.
Nice.
Wait.
Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay.
Tingin kami ng GoPro. Where is GoPro? GoPro. Where is the camera, mommy? You check accessory. HP Canon. Because I check here. Hanap tayo ng GoPro. Eto, GoPro. Here. It's not this? No. Ito, GoPro. How much? Eto, 9. Me, this 1,000. No, you see? If you make like that, how much you must to pay? Huh? Your arm. No, Mare. To camera. Mare camera. A casa.
А это румля?
Да. Diba? May ano? Pre-COVID. No need plastic. We take it. Bumili kami pang shawarma. Magsha-shawarma kami. Shawarma. Tapos na kaming galing na kaming Altex. Galing na kaming Altex. Nakapili na ng washing si Madam. Bukas i-deliver. So, ngayon pauwi na kami. Bumili lang ako ng patis. We buy only fish sauce and oyster sauce. So, see you later. We're going home. Adi, we open here. I do live open. Well,
Hadi dolaşalım.
coming package.
Çıkardık mı? Aldık mı? Çıkardık mı? Hayır, hayır.
Hmm? Because it's your washing machine, Julia, so you must open it. Surprise! Washing, but don't know how to go inside. We check. Yeah. By when you washing, we are the one who adjusts. The door must to adjust. Big washing, we are the one who adjusts. The door must to adjust for the washing machine.
2,000 years later.
Success! Wow, very good. Yay, success. Yan na nga. We're finished. We're done. Broke the door. You see? Okay, the washing machine is in the bathroom now. Okay, thank you guys. And this is the finish of our vlog. And see you again in the next vlog. I show you how we put to the washing machine only, and because it's bigger washing than before, so we need to break the door little so we can go inside. Thank you. See you again. Bye.
Alright, alright, alright.